Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a Louis Vuitton for you today. This is the Louis Vuitton Vavin. It's in the size BB, so a little size, but it's a lovely little bag. It's in that gorgeous monogram emprunte leather, which is my favourite Louis Vuitton fabric that they use for their handbags. It just feels very luxury and the quality is gorgeous. And I think it just looks lovely as well. It's a little bit more understated than the monogram canvas. And it's in a lovely classic black and gold colour combination as well. So I'm going to talk you through all the features of it. So we've got an adjustable strap. You can have it as a double strap like this, or it pulls through nice and easily. I've got that just a little bit twisted around there. There we go. When it's not twisted around, it pulls through nice and easily and makes a long strap like that. It's got a flap closure and it's got this kind of false fasten. It's actually just a magnetic fasten under there, so nice and easy. And you've got one flap pocket right underneath there. A lovely soft microfiber lining and one flap pocket at the back there. It's quite a new one, so it doesn't have a date code. Louis Vuitton stopped using date codes in 2021, so this one doesn't have a date code. It's in an incredible condition. It is excellent all around, so there is no wear at all to it. It's pretty much as brand new. So I'm going to show you all around again, just so you can see what a lovely condition that is in. The hardware is still lovely and shiny. This false lock on the front actually still has the plastic seal on it, so that's in a lovely condition. And the interior again is beautiful. There's no wear to it at all. I'm going to show you what it comes with. So it's very nice. It's in a lovely, pretty much brand new condition, and it comes with the box and the ribbon as well, which is always nice. And then it also comes with the Louis Vuitton dust bag, and then we've got this little Louis Vuitton envelope. And inside here, we have got the original Selfridges receipt. So there we go, it was bought 2022. That's the receipt inside there. If you'd like to see it on our website, go to the link in the description below. That link should hopefully take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, then that does mean it has sold. We have a request list though, so if you have been looking out for one of these, or you've just seen it and fallen in love with it, but missed out on it this time, let us know. We'll get you on the request list, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can get in there nice and quickly. I'll show you the size of me for reference before you get on the website though. So I am size UK 10, I'm 5'4", and it's the perfect little bag, I think, to take you from day to evening. So as a day bag, you can have it with that crossbody strap. It's lovely and lightweight, so you're not going to kind of notice it too much. It's comfortable to wear, and it's got this little leather section as well. So when you pop it crossbody, that chain isn't kind of digging into your shoulder. It's nice and comfortable. And because of that magnetic fasten, it's nice and easy to use as well. And then for the evening, you can pop it onto your shoulder with that shorter strap, and it is just as beautiful. So have a look at it on armcandybagco.com. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on there, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And also have a look at the How to Sell with Us page if you're interested in selling any of your pre-loved designer bags. And we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous Armcandy.